Hello, in front of me I have Haylou GST watch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First, we need to turn on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding it until you see the logo on the screen. Then release it and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you should see the QR code on the screen. This means we need to download and install the Haylou Fun application on our phone. And we can do it in two ways. You can either scan the QR code on the watch with the camera app to get the link for the download, or you can open the Play Store on your phone. In the Play Store you can tap on the search bar, type in Haylou Fun, and then tap search button to look for it. And you should see this application right here, Haylou Fun, this icon, and you have the screenshots right here. Okay, so once you find this app, you can tap on the install button to start the installation. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button right here to open it. In the application, we need to tap on agree to agree to terms of use, and now we need to log in. You can also create a new account if you need to by tapping on register, or you can use third-party accounts like or other third-party options like login with the phone number rather, Twitter account and Facebook account. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address. Then tap right here and enter the password, so give me a couple of seconds. And once you're done, you can tap on login. After you log in, you will see this page, and basically this page is about running the app in the background. And you can either tap on this arrow right here to skip this, or you can tap on the go to settings button to customize this option. So if you want to allow this app to run in the background to basically work properly, although it's gonna use more battery on your phone, so think about if you want to do this, then tap on the go to settings. If you want to, of course, it's gonna redirect you to this page. Here tap on the advanced, then battery, find the option called battery optimization. If it says optimizing the battery use, tap on it. Now tap on not optimized, tap on all apps, and look for the Haylou Fun application on this list. You can also tap on this icon right here and to enter the search, and we can type in Haylou to find the app quicker. This is useful. And once you find the app, as you can see, it says optimizing battery use. Tap on this app, tap on don't optimize, then tap on done. And we can go back to the application. And now we can tap the arrow to continue. Okay, and here we have another permission, and the app wants us to allow it. That's the location permission. It's recommended to allow it if you want to pair the devices, but you can also deny it if you want. So let's tap on go to set. It's gonna bring this page, or rather this window, and you can either allow or deny the permission. I'm just gonna allow it. And as you can see, it redirects us to the permission page anyway. And you can, again, allow or deny the permission. I'm gonna just leave it on allow while using the app and go back. And next option is for the better user experience. We need to activate the system pop-up window. So basically allow the app to display over other apps. So you can either allow it by tapping on confirm or skip it by tapping on cancel. If you want to allow it, tap on confirm. It's gonna redirect you to the display over other apps. Find the Haylou Fun application on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch to allow it, and now you can go back to the app. And after you're done with the permissions, you should see the home page of the app. On this page, tap on Add Device. It should look for your watch. If it doesn't find your watch, make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled, because I forgot to mention that. Make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. As you can see on mine it is. So I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm just gonna press and hold the side button to turn off the watch. And then I'm gonna turn it on by pressing and holding the side button again. Basically, I'm gonna soft reset the watch. Okay. And then I'm gonna tap on rescan. And as you can see now, it found our watch, Haylou GST. Tap on it. Then tap on the check mark to confirm the pairing. And after a second or two, you should see the Haylou GST page. Here you can customize the settings for your watch. And also your watch should be ready to use. You can use it now. That means that the devices are paired together. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.